Basic foot moves for Bollywood dance. Hello my viewers. Today I am going to show you a very common footwork from Bollywood style, which you can use and form many nice and beautiful moves for your dance. You can see I am placing my one foot in my back, which is my right foot, go on tippy toe in my back, and left foot I am going to place it in my front. So I'm going to tap one on my right foot, back foot, and two on my left foot, which is my front foot. And taking 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now here you can see my foot positions are. My right foot will go back on tippy toe. My left foot is in front on a flat position. I'm tapping 1 on my back leg or back foot, 2 on my front foot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now here you can get an idea that how much distance you have to take in between your legs or in your between your foot. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now slowly showing you how to move your waist with your footwork. You see how I am pushing my waist towards right side, left side, right side, left side with my foot, and coordinating my foot and my waist together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. You can go as per your music, slow or fast. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I hope you can make very beautiful and nice moves from this footwork. Thank you so much.